Students, now let's start class 8th mathematics. Class 8th maths. The first chapter is rational number. Rational number. In rational number, we will read number first, rational numbers, second, positive, first positive rational number, positive rationals, second, negative rationals, third, comparison या standard form a rational number, third, standard form of a rational number, and last is comparison of rational number, fourth, comparison of rational number. So number for positive rationals. Positive rationals, what is positive rational? Now the number of the form a upon b, the number of form a by b where a and b are integers, a and b are integers, and b should not be equal to 0, as a upon b where b should not be equal to 0 are called sorry, this is your first we have to talk about rational numbers. Now in rational numbers where a by b, these are two integers a and b, two integers a and b where a by b it should not be b where should not be equal to 0. And now as example is 5 upon 13 minus 2 upon 12, 3 upon minus 10, so on. These are our rational number. Now next is positive rationals. Positive rational, what is positive rational? A rational number is said to be positive. A rational number said to be positive if its numerator and denominator are both positive or both negative. Once again, a rational number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator are either both positive or negative, as as 5 upon 13 or minus 3 upon minus 12 these are our positive rationals. It means in that way, it means we can cut it, because minus 3 upon minus 12, minus cancel, it is also positive. So these are our positive rationals. Now second is, now we have to define, now second is negative rationals. What is negative rationals? Negative rationals. Negative rationals. What is negative rationals? It means a rational number is said to be negative if its numerator and denominator are of opposite signs. Once again, a rational number is said to be negative if its numerator and denominator are opposite signs. Thus, opposite signs 4 upon minus 12 or minus 3 upon 15. This is called negative rationals. Now next thing, standard form of a rational number. Standard form of a rational number. Third, standard form a rational number. It means a rational number a upon b is said to be standard form if a and b are integers having no common divisor other than 1 and b is positive. Once again, a rational number a upon b is said to be in standard form if a and b are integers having no common divisor other than 1 and b is positive. As express करना, now we have to express minus, suppose let's 33 by minus 44. I told you the denominator should not be negative, it should be positive. So first of all we will have to do it, just we have to do it. It means multiply by minus 1 upper side and minus 1 by lower side. So just what will we do, as what will happen, it minus 33 and it will be 44. So it is our rational number. But second condition, what is the standard form of a rational number? It means the greatest common it means greatest common divisor should be, it means 11 3 ja 33, 11 4 ja 44. So what is minus 3 by 4? Minus 3 by 4 is its standard form. It means where it can be said standard form in which position, when its It means A and B are integers having no common divisor other than 1. Now we can see it here. Only 1 can be divisor of it, not other than 1. So that is its standard form. Now in another example we can just watch it. 6 by 12 in minus 6 by 12 or 6 by 12 maybe. So just what is the greatest common factor of 6 by 12? Its greatest common factor is 6, because 6 can be divided by 6 and 12 is also. So 6 1 just 6 and 6 2 just 12. It means standard form of its 1 by 2. So this is called standard form of a rational number. Now next is comparison of rational number. Just before comparison of comparison of rational number, just I want to tell you the properties of rational numbers. The properties of rational number. The properties of rational numbers. Rational numbers. The properties of rational numbers. Number first is, if A upon B is a rational number and M is a non-zero integer, then A upon B is our rational integer, a rational number, and M is non-zero integer. So what will happen? Into M, it is not 0, so it will be as A upon B. It means, suppose an example is 2 by minus 3 multiply by 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 by minus 3 into 3 upon 3 is equal to 2 by minus 3 into 4 into 4 at dot dot dot, so on. It should be equal. It will be equal. This is the first property. It means if any rational number A by B multiply by any M, suppose any M means 2, maybe 3, 4, but it should be multiplied by numerator and denominator, so all rational numbers will be equal. Number second property, if A by B is our rational number and M is a common divisor, divisor by M, H six by 9, suppose 6 by 9 is divided by 3, 2 by 3. Number next property is number third property, let A upon B and C upon D. A upon B and C upon D, two rational numbers. Then A upon B and C upon D are two rational numbers. Then A upon A upon B is equal to C upon D. What will happen? It A into D, that means A into D is equal to B into C. It means AD will be is equal to BC. So this is our third property. Once again memorize it. Just we will learn. First, if our rational number is A by B and M is non-zero factor, so just we multiplied by M in numerator or denominator will be the same our rational numbers. And the second property is, if our rational number is A by B, the divisor is M common factor, then our rational numbers will be equal in standard form. If our rational number common factor M common divisor is M, then it will be in standard form, which I told you. And now third property, if we have two rational numbers A by B and C upon D, it means A upon B is equal to C upon D. It means A multiplied by 2 D, A into D is equal to B into C. Next, comparison of rational numbers. Fourth is comparison of rational numbers. Comparison of rational numbers. It is clear that every positive rational number is greater than 0. Every positive rational number is greater than 0 and every negative rational number is less than 0. Every positive rational number is greater than 0 and every negative rational number is less than 0. There are four steps. There are 4 steps to comparing of rational numbers. As number first, two given rational numbers should be positive denominators. Next, we have to take LCM of both denominators, and after that we will have to take a common LCM denominators, and then the greater numerator, the number of greater numerator will be the greater rational number. As just we define it. Suppose our rational number is 5 by 8 and 3 by 4. We have to compare which rational number is greater. Which rational number is greater? So firstly, what is this? We will have to pick out it just our denominators. This is numerator and it is denominator. This is numerator and it is denominator. We read it in last classes. It means 6, 5, 4 classes we have read it. So there is no need of it to numerator and denominator. So now firstly, the first step, I told you there are 4 steps. First step, our denominator should be positive. Here our example is our denominators are positive. This is the first step. Second step, we will have to take LCM of both. We have to take LCM. So just we will take LCM of this. Now just we have to compare on it. So just 5 upon 8, just we have to take upon 4. So just we will have to take LCM. It means we have to make denominator same. We will have to, denominator should be same. It means if we multiply, how here is 8 and here is 4. So if we multiply by 2 in every numerator and denominator, after that our denominators will be equal. So just we multiply by 2 here and it is 2. So just 5 by 8 and 6 by 8. Here denominators are same. Here denominators are same. It means which numerator is greater? It means that very rational number is greater. Here we find it is 5, it is 6. So it means this numerator is greater. It means that very rational number is greater. It means we can say 5 by 8 is less than 3 by 4. So this is the comparison of rational numbers. So this was rational number positive. When we find in negative, so what will we do? H as number (3 by -4) or -5 by -6, which is greater? So what will we do? Just we will have to take LCM of both. So how will you take LCM of both? Just you have read it as, so just what will we do? As we will have to find it 4, 6 as 2, 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 3. It means 3, 1 and 1. It means the LCM of this 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. It means our denominator should be 12. So what will we do? First, the first step is our denominators should be positive. Our denominator should be positive. So what will we do? Just we will have to multiply by -1. So just in first step, in one number, what will you do? 3 by 4, 3 by -4 multiply by -1 multiply by -1. So what will happen? -3 by 4. Our denominator is positive. Then we will have to take LCM. This is second step. I did it 12. So what will be happen? Here just we have to multiply by 3. Then it will be 12. -9 upon 12. Now the another number. Other number. Other number, what? -5 by 6. Just we have to multiply here 2. because we have to take LCM here. So minus 10 upon to 6 12. So our denominators is equal. So we have to compare it. Just which numerator is greater, that very rational number is greater, because both are in negative form. So which number is lesser, that is greater. That means when we compare it, just minus 9 upon 12 minus 10 upon 12. So because denominators are same, so just this number is greater. So just we can say 3 by minus 4 is greater than minus 5 by 6. So this is our rational number. And now next thing I have to teach you ascending order, number 4th and number 5th H, ascending order. In rational number we have to read ascending order. Number 5th, ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order. Suppose minus 3 by 5, we have to arrange it. There are 3 numbers and we have to arrange it in ascending order as our rational numbers: minus 3 by 5, 7 by minus 10, 7 by minus 10 and minus 5 by 8. We have to arrange it in ascending order. So first of all we will have to do it. What will I have to do it? Number all denominators should be in positive. So what we will do? Number first we will have to multiply by minus 1 minus 1. So what will happen in second number? 7 upon minus 10 multiply by minus 1 minus 1. So it should be minus 7 upon 10. So all denominators, it means now the numbers, the rational numbers are minus 3 by 5 comma minus 7 by 10 and minus 5 by 8. Now second term is second property. We have to take LCM of 5, 10 and 8. Now the LCM 5, 10 and 8. Now just 2, 5, 5, 4. Now 2, 5, 5, 2, 2, 5, 5, 1, then 5, 1, 1, 1. That means the LCM of it is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 to the 4 to the 8, 5 to 40. It means LCM is 40. LCM is 40. So just we will have to find out 40 in all denominators. So what will happen? We have to do just minus 3 upon 5. We have to multiply here 8. After that it will be 40. So just 8. It will be minus 24 upon 40, comma, minus 7 upon 10. So multiply by 4. It is minus 28 by 40, comma, minus 5 upon 8. Multiply by 5. Minus 25 upon 40. So thus we find all denominators are same. So what we have to do? Just we have to compare it. Now minus 24 by 40, comma, minus 28 by 40, comma, minus 25 by 40. Because our rational numbers are in negative, so the value of which rational number is minimum, that is greater rational number. That means here is, this is the greatest number, and after that it, and then it. So just first we have to write it here. Minus 28 by 40 is lesser than minus 25 by 40 and is less than minus 24 by 40. That means the numbers of ours, just we have to write in ascending order. So what will happen? Upper digits, what I gave you, it means our numbers as what will happen? It means in middle order minus 28, it means our middle order is number 7 upon minus 10 is lesser than minus 5 by 8 is lesser than, another number is minus 3 by 5. So these are in ascending order. Its opposite in descending order. Thank you, and you have to complete your exercise. If you find any problem, just you contact 8953618807. Thank you, and you have to complete this exercise.